Beauty has fallen into disrepute. For some reason, people have marginalized the pursuit of beauty. Why it's missing is an interesting question. The message that art has been perpetrating for the last 50 or even 100 years, that in the end, that our aspirations to be something better are all self-deception and delusion. I think there's been a huge cultural shift, an almost deliberate attempt to expel beauty from the place in human life that it naturally occupies, which is the center. To expel beauty from the place in human life that it naturally occupies, which is the center. Although, of course, everybody is aware of the value of beauty when they see it, they don't recognize the need also to create it around themselves. It stands there as an independent witness to the meaning of the universe. And once you point out that there is a difference between life that's lived with the idea of beauty in focus and life that is not so lived, then people immediately understand it and recognize that there is something missing. Something missing. Something missing. Something missing. One must open one's eyes to nature and to the human world and see the immanence of value. When things speak to you, shine the light that is present in everything, shines through. That's essentially what we mean by aesthetic values, or what we ought to mean. And beauty isn't this casual thing that you might choose to be interested in or not, just as someone might choose to be interested in chocolate or something. If you like, it's the thing that attaches us to the world in the first place. That is the thing that is telling us, you belong here. And you, in response, saying, yes, I do belong because you are here. Because you are here. It's part of our self-consciousness, our understanding that we are in the world in a questioning relation with it. That is the thing that is telling us, you belong here. And you, in response, saying, yes, I do belong because you are here. You belong here.